Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your electric pressure washer. The Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment PWSC1212 Surface Cleaner. If you're looking to achieve professional-level cleaning results on your decks, patios, driveways, and more, this might just be the perfect tool for you. Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and whether it lives up to the hype. The Westinghouse PWSC1212 Surface Cleaner is designed to work seamlessly with most electric pressure washers, offering up to 2,500 psi of cleaning power. It's compact, easy to use, and built for durability, making it a great choice for both homeowners and professionals alike. Let's talk about what makes this surface cleaner stand out. It features a 12-inch cleaning path, which is ideal for efficiently cleaning large flat surfaces. The Quick Connect fitting allows for easy attachment to your pressure washer, ensuring hassle-free setup and operation. In terms of performance, the PWSC12 delivers. It's equipped to handle tough cleaning jobs with ease, thanks to its ability to blast away dirt, grime, and even stubborn stains. Whether you're refreshing your driveway or rejuvenating your patio, this tool promises to get the job done efficiently and effectively. One of the standout features of this surface cleaner is its user-friendly design. It's lightweight and maneuverable, making it easy to navigate around obstacles and corners. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. Quality matters, and Westinghouse doesn't disappoint. The PWSC12 is built to last, with sturdy construction that withstands regular use and the rigors of outdoor cleaning tasks. It's designed for longevity, ensuring you get value for your investment. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a surface cleaner that pairs perfectly with your electric pressure washer, the Westinghouse PWSC1212 Surface Cleaner deserves serious consideration. Its combination of performance, ease of use, and durability makes it a standout choice in its category. That concludes our review of the Westinghouse PWSC1212 Surface Cleaner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.